Want to build trust quickly in any conversation? Let me introduce you to the mirror technique, a psychological method that makes people instantly feel connected to you. The idea is simple. Subtly reflect the other person's body language, tone, or behavior during a conversation. If they cross their arms, wait a moment, and gently do the same. If they lean forward, mirror that movement. It works because we naturally trust people who are like us. It activates the brain's sense of familiarity and safety. But be careful. It has to be subtle. Overdo it and it becomes awkward. Underdo it and it loses impact. Studies show that mirroring builds empathy, strengthens negotiations, and even improves first impressions. Want people to feel closer to you, faster? Mirror them. Not to manipulate, but to connect. MindSpark TV, where psychology meets real life.